Well, it's been a pretty cold start to the morning. Have to scrape off the frost on your car for sure.
Yeah, if you park outside, you're going to have to spend a little quality time with that ice scraper once again, or just turn on the defrost and, wait. And wait, and wait some more. Let's take a look a little farther down the line, though. We're rounding the bend of the end of January here. Let's look ahead at February, and the Climate Prediction Center issued their 30-day outlook for the month ahead. I guess it would be the 29-day outlook for this February leap year. And the temperature outlook points to, well, really not a whole lot around here. An even chance of either normal or above normal or below normal temperatures across Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky. More of a signal towards colder than normal temperatures along the Gulf Coast and warmer than normal conditions in the northern tier of states. This is a typical El Nino weather pattern. For us, there is a slight signal towards drier than normal conditions for the month of February with wetter than normal conditions along the Gulf Coast. Stronger signal towards dry conditions as you head farther north of us. Now, that doesn't mean that we're definitely going to see below normal precipitation and exactly normal temperatures. It just means that there isn't really a strong nudge from the statistical data in one direction or the other. And these long-range outlooks, it's hard enough to get the 5, 6, and 7-day forecast right, much less the 30 to 90-day forecast anywhere close to accurate. So we'll see how it shapes up, and we'll just kind of take it day by day. Let's look outside this morning, and for this day, we're dealing with some patchy freezing fog. Lots of frost on the ground with clear skies still overhead here from Macon County, but we are seeing a lot of fog here from Smith County. And if you're driving through fog this morning, temperatures are below freezing everywhere. So these fog droplets can be directly deposited onto the roads, especially the bridges and overpasses. So slow it down when you're driving through the fog, not only to allow for reduced visibility, but also to allow for the fact that there are going to be some slick spots here and there. Give yourself some extra stopping distance as well. Not much fog around Metro Nashville, just a little bit here in the distance behind downtown, but clouds are moving in from the north. Those clouds, though, are not producing any precipitation that's reaching the ground. We're seeing some radar returns here from southern Kentucky, but all this is evaporating. Those clouds are far enough up in the atmosphere that they contain some water that the radars are seeing. It's just not reaching ground level. Temperatures are definitely cold. As the cloud cover moves in, it's warmed things up a little bit in the northwestern part of the mid-state where you're in the upper 20s and even low 30s. The rest of us, though, are in the upper teens and low 20s. 19 in Tullahoma and Livingston, 21 degrees in Nashville, and just enough of a breeze stirring around in Nashville to make it feel like 13 degrees. Not only will you have to spend some time scraping the windshield, but maybe you'll just want to kind of warm up as you're heading out. The cloud cover is going to scoot through this morning, so it's not going to be cloudy all day. The clouds should be mostly off to our southeast by noon, and then we'll see sunny skies by this afternoon. Slight chance of a sprinkle or flurry in northeastern Middle Tennessee overnight tonight. Otherwise, we're just going to see some more clouds returning tonight into early tomorrow. And then those clouds will dissipate quickly as we head through the day. Tomorrow should see a lot of sunshine by late morning and throughout the afternoon, and temperatures just very slightly above average for the end of the work week. Big warm up over the weekend, but that helps set the stage for the potential of some strong to severe thunderstorms Tuesday of next week. It's a big chunk of the eastern half of the country that has been outlined by the Storm Prediction Center for an elevated threat of severe weather, but this is still the 5th day of the 7-day forecast. We're talking about things being a ways out there, and so we're going to be watching this very carefully, but it's too soon to talk about specific threats or to talk about specific timing of that threat of severe weather on Tuesday. Trust us, we will keep an eye on it, and we'll have more information and more specifics as it gets a little closer. For today, better dog walking weather later on today. Put it off if you can, because it'll be a lot warmer later on. Upper 40s by noon, low 50s for highs this afternoon. Looking okay later on, but chilly right now. Do want to say a quick hello to the